Hello, I'm Sean with Autel. Today, I want to introduce you to our three newest diagnostic tablets, the MS906S, MS906 Pro, and MS906 Pro TS. Autel debuted the MaxiSys 906 line a few years back, and the new tablets are more than worthy upgrades to their predecessors. All three new tablets are compact, 8-inch wireless, Android-based touchscreen tablets with Bluetooth-enabled VCI. Each tablet is designed to meet the unique needs of shops and technicians. Let's dive into what sets them apart from each other in value and functionality so you can see which one is right for you. The basis of all three tablets feature the renowned MaxiSys diagnostic software with pre- and post-scan reporting, the ability to read and erase codes, view freeze-frame data, graph live data, perform active tests on all available systems, and offer adaptation and coding capability. The 906S features a Hexa-core processor and 64 gigabytes of memory, which means it can do all of that faster and better than ever while still providing an excellent value. The 906 Pro tablets offer technicians and shop owners even more advanced hardware and software straight out of the box. Rounding out the trio, the 906 Pro TS adds complete tire pressure monitoring system service. With its embedded antenna, the TS can activate and relearn all known TPMS sensors, and of course, program Autel's One sensor, which replaces 99% of TPMS sensors on the road today. This makes the MS906 Pro TS the most versatile of the upgraded line. So let's take a deeper dive on these 906 Pro tablets. They both step up to a more powerful 2.3 GHz Octa-core processor and 4 GB of operating memory for even faster scans and testing. Perhaps the best part is the 128 GB of storage memory, which enables you to download software for all vehicle makes you service without having to choose which to keep on board. Both Pro models come with the MaxiSys VCI 200, which supports the newer vehicle communication protocols including DOIP, that's diagnostics over the internet, and 4-pin set CAN-FD. With the release of these three unique tablets, Autel has provided every technician and shop with the opportunity to find a professional diagnostic tablet that meets their budget and repair needs, both today and in the future. The advanced hardware in the Pro models enable the users to not only grow with their business, but also promote its growth. These Pro tablets can be upgraded with ADAS calibration software and are designed to work with either of Autel's current calibration frame solutions. The final piece that makes these small tablets so powerful is their eye in the future. In the coming months, cloud-based services are scheduled to be released, including report sharing and storage, a remote programming service, access to repair data information, and a technician user forum. Customers have often called the MaxiSys 906 tablet line their go-to tools, with proven diagnostics and service functionality that earn their worth day in and day out. We have been careful to build on this design and ensure that Autel continues to earn a place in your shop. For more information on our complete family of tools, be sure to visit us at autel.com.